water.
New Pravage Anti-Aging Plus Intensive Repair Daily Serum, clinically shown to immediately improve skin's appearance in just 15 minutes.
Folklore and old wives' tales of putting toothpaste on pimples and cold water shrinking your pores are just some of the skincare advice passed from one generation to the next. But how do we know if this information is fact or fiction?
Well, there's so much information available these days on the internet. Friends and family know a whole bunch of information about skincare. There's a lot of information around of what you should not be using, how to use it, when to use it. And in the process, there are a lot of myths that have developed over the years. So we're going to help dispel some of those myths. Firstly, one of the things that we can dispel is that an oily skin is a reason why you get acne. That's not in fact the case. You can have a beautiful skin, flawless, but still an oily skin type. So it's important to understand and know what your skin type is so that you're using the correct products so that we can keep the breakouts at bay. Acne itself is essentially caused by genes, so genetics, so if it runs in the family, there is a strong chance that you could be susceptible. The other factor that comes into play is hormonal imbalances. So if you do find that you're under a lot of stress, you could be going through very key periods in your life. Even pregnancy is sometimes a factor that can be linked to acne coming through. Diet, yes, is important for the health and glow of your skin, and you do want to follow a healthy diet because it does affect your skin, it does affect your body, and you do want to ensure that you have a healthy glowing skin. So follow a good eating plan to ensure your skin looks fantastic. The next myth we're going to talk about is, does a dry skin in fact cause wrinkles? What we often see is that association with age and wrinkles and a dry skin because it's a natural process that takes place as we get older. That natural oil production starts decreasing. Now, the element that we forget about is dehydration, and dehydration is lacking the actual water. And what we need to make sure of is that we maintain that water within the skin. So it's not so much that you have a dry skin that's causing the aging, but it is in fact the environmental assaults and the dehydration that is causing the early signs of aging, and the breakdown of those collagen and elastin fibers within the skin. It makes those wrinkles look 10 times more obvious than what they were before. The last myth we're going to talk about is whether toners are a waste of time. In fact, they are a very crucial step in our skincare regime. Now, it's important to understand what a toner does. Firstly, it helps to remove any excess dirt and grime on the skin after you've cleansed. The other thing that a toner does is it actually preps the skin for your following treatments. Then the other thing with a toner is that they are specifically designed to suit your skin type. So knowing what your skin type is very important. It's important to make sure that you've got the right toner for the right skin type so that you're getting the best results from your skincare. And remember, the ideal skincare regime is your 4 steps. Cleanse, tone, treat and moisturize for a great looking skin as long as possible. So if you're ever unsure of whether what you're reading or hearing is fact or fiction, the best thing to do is chat to your skincare professional to make sure that you're getting the proper facts.
Remember that your skin is as unique as you are, and getting sound advice from a skincare expert will go a long way to keeping your skin looking fantastic and healthy.
New Pravage Anti-Aging Plus Intensive Repair Daily Serum, clinically shown to immediately improve skin's appearance in just 15 minutes.
I want to live the best life.